Hi, I'm Matthew Oliver. I'm the horticulturist here at RHS Garden Hyde Hall in the Global Growth Vegetable Garden, and today I'm going to show you how to plant up a window box in order to give us salad pickings throughout the autumn and winter months. So this is our window box. You'll see it has got drainage holes in the bottom, but we do need to put something in there to stop those getting blocked up. You could use broken pots for crocks just to cover those up, but today we'll be using some grit. So a small layer goes in the bottom. So our drainage layer should ensure that the holes in the bottom of the pot don't block up and we get good movement of moisture through the pot. If you were keeping this indoors, it might well be worth standing this pot on a tray to catch any drips. The compost we'll be using is a bark-based peat-free compost. We're not mixing it with anything, but if you wanted to, you could add some extra fertility to it by using an organic fertiliser such as fish blood and bone, or something a bit faster acting such as Grow More, or a slow release granular fertiliser, just to keep the plants healthy through the winter months. So all we need to do is fill the container up, and we want to leave a bit of a lip at the top of the container so that it makes watering nice and easy so it doesn't spill over the sides. Once you've filled your container up, you could direct sow some seeds into there of any crops that would grow through the winter, including pak choys, mustard leaf, some winter lettuces, some rocket, anything like that. But today we'll be using some chicory, which is a hardy leaf salad crop that we've grown in these cell trays. These would be hardy enough to live outside all winter in a sheltered spot. But if you wanted to keep your tray indoors, then you could get away with growing a crop of coriander that will give you pickings all year, and you could keep that on the kitchen windowsill, in the conservatory, or a frost-free glass house would work as well. So once you've filled your container up and you're ready for planting, all you need to do is pop the plants out of the modules. You can tell they're ready after 3 or 4 weeks because the roots will have filled up each module, but it won't be restricted or becoming pot bound, and you'll have a couple of semi-mature leaves on the plant, so it's gone beyond seedling stage. When it comes to planting, really easy. All you need to do, make a hole with your hand, plop them in at the level they are in the seed tray, and then spacing wise, you could pack lots and lots in here, but ideally you want to be about 20 centimetres apart. So probably get in this pot maybe half a dozen or so different plants. You don't have to keep them all the same. You could mix and match whatever winter salad crops you've grown, and it'll all grow perfectly well next to each other. And the idea with these, with any winter salad crops, is rather than let them reach to maturity and harvest them as one big head, like a pak choy or a lettuce or a chicory, the idea is you come along every couple of weeks and pick off the semi-mature leaves as they appear and use them as loose leaf in salad that way. All of the seeds, compost and pots you need to do this job are available in the RHS shop.